For today, I'm going to look into the travel management system, or the TMS in short form. This is an end-to-end complete software solution which helps the end users or travel agents to manage service providers, bookings, pricing, tracking, analyzing, and tracking the inventory or the business travels. Now I'm going to look at the classes under the TMS. The first class it should have is a class manage menu. Under the class manage menu, it should have the password. It should have the password and the username. These are the details of the admin of the travel agency. The second class it should have is the class customers, and under class customers it should have the details of the customer, which is the customer ID, their name, their age, their mobile number, their address, their gender. The third class it should have is the class cabs. Under the class cabs it should have choices of the cabs for the customer to choose. For example, in this program I have written 2 cabs, which are the standard cabs and the luxury cabs. Now you can choose any of one. The fourth class is the class booking, and under the class booking is where the bookings of the hotels are undertaken. You can book for hotel. You should have also the several choices depending on the taste of the customer. For me, I have the 3 different hotels: the Hotel Star, the Hotel Panari, that's the Hotel Panali, and the Hotel Comfort. They have different offers and different prices. Now the fourth class is the class charges, and under the class charges it's where the charges of the booking of the hotels and the cabs are taken account of, and the last part is the exit part. And after exit part it should have, for me I have put a goodbye. You can put thanks for visiting, thanks for using this travel agency. Any form of exiting you could write here. Now at the end you have the int main, and under the int main we have the manage menu start object. This is to run the whole program. This whole program is run by that code, and now we should execute this program. We should go to the build part, and then the debug start without debugging. You can go to build solution, build successful, 0 failed. Now you can debug, start without debugging. You can enter the name and continue as admin. The name is John. Enter the password. The password is password. Enter the choice. Now here is where the classes are included: the customer class, the class cabs, the class booking, and the class charges, and the exit. You can enter choice 1, enter. You can execute again, debug, start without debugging, enter the name John, enter the password of the admin. The password is password. Enter the choice 1 for the manage menu, enter the new customer 1, or enter to see the old customer, you say enter 2. You enter the ID of the first of the new customer, enter their name, say George, enter their age 57, enter their mobile number, enter the address, say J Quad, enter the gender, the gender is male. We saved your details for future purposes. Now you can press 1 to enter to main menu. You enter the cabs management, which is 2, second choice. Enter rent a salad cab or a luxury cab. We enter 2. Then to calculate the cost, you enter the kilometers you have to travel. We can say like, we say 7 kilometers. Enter. The total cost is 560 shillings for a luxury cab. You can press 1 to select this. You have successfully hired a luxury cab. You can want to go to the main menu. You can go to booking for the hotels. You enter the choice 3. You can select which hotel you like. You can enter the first hotel, the star hotel. You can choose which pack we prefer. You can choose for premium pack, which is choice 2. Enter. You have successfully booked a premium pack of star. Now you can press 1 to direct to main menu. After choosing the hotel or the pack, you can now go to the charges and bills to see the receipt, which is choice 4. Enter. Description, hotel, the travel. The total cost is 10,560. You can press 1 to see the receipt. That is the receipt. You can press 1 to enter to the main menu. You can exit after writing the details. Goodbye. You can go back to your program, and you can change the color of the text of the background. You can go to write the system, small letters, system, open the bracket, open the quotes, color, backspace, the color, say the color is, let's write C, and you close the and then you build again, build solution to see the change of the color. You can start without debugging. The color has changed to light red. That is the effect to make it more attractive. You can write the name John, enter, password, enter. That's the effect. Thank you. Can finish.